Hello. Hello, my name is Sarah Regina. First, take the hand sanitizer bottle and place it in one hand. Then carefully dispense a small amount of gel onto the palm of your other hand. Next, rub your hands together carefully, making sure to cover all surfaces, including between your fingers and under your nails. After that, continue rubbing your hands until the gel is completely dry. This usually takes about 20 seconds. Finally, apply touching any surfaces until your hands are dry to ensure they remain sanitized.